Welcome to another video. Tonight's video is a quick video of how to manage your business. So I think I already went through this, but a lot of people have been messaging me, asking me what I really think. So I'm giving you this video from my standpoint. This is all that I have been through personally, all the experience that I have had, and also all the things that I've done for myself. So if you want to hear all of those juicy details, stay tuned and make sure you watch all of this video because I have a lot of information to let you in on, okay? So the first one for me was finding, downloading, and getting all my apps that I needed to use for my YouTube channel together. Trust me, there's a lot of apps out there that I did not know about. There's a lot of apps that I did not know that helped you with YouTube, helped you with Instagram, help you with whatever social media that you want. There are apps that teach you how to run them. There are videos on YouTube that tell you how to run or how to create a TikTok video, a TikTok channel. Everything you need to know is already out there on the internet. All you need to do is do your research. I always tell people that. That is the key. Research, research, research. Never stop researching. You can never know too much. Another thing for me was finding out what I was great at in my business or finding out what I knew how to do. Anything that I didn't know how to do and I wanted it professionally done, I simply seeked the professional. That was what I did, honestly. So, yes, there you go. Find the professionals. Do not try to bash up something or do not try to just do something. Even if you're going to do it on your own, go and do your research. Try to look for things that are done in the same way that you want them to do or the idea that you have in your head, and then try to make it your little own. Put your own touch on it, maybe put your own color, put your own spin to it. That's simply what I'm saying. Yes, I know a lot of people will be saying, oh, find the professionals in small business, it takes money. Yes, honestly, it does. So I would advise you to learn. Learn all you can about your business. Learn if you're starting up a YouTube channel, learn all about the apps, the reports that they generate, the suggestions that they give. Try to read everything you see in there. It never hurts to know everything. It never hurts. And yes, you may not always know everything, but try to be where you know at least 70% of what you need to know, okay? That's how you're gonna end up getting your videos be seen on YouTube. That's how you're gonna end up getting your maybe your social media channels going viral or whatever. But at the same time, it does take consistency. It does take a lot of work. Another thing I will mention, I have mentioned it in videos before, create checklists. Create checklists. It may sound like, oh, girl, I got that. But pay attention to them when you make them. Keep to them. And you're going to see how your business flourish. You're going to see how you become a better you. You're going to see how your sales take off. There is a thing that I did not know early on, but I figured out eventually because I realized that whenever I got big orders, I had a lot of time problems. So what I made sure to do was whenever I get big orders, I would make sure to get those out the way the night before, prepare everything. So as soon as I came in my door, I just grabbed and went straight to the post office. A lot of people wait until the last minute to get things done. And then when your stuff reaches to your customers, you realize that they're either not packaged properly or you have forgotten something that you wished you had sent to this customer. So another thing is Focus on your order. Make sure you have those under control. And whenever you do get big orders, get those out the way the night before. So everything is in their package, everything is properly labeled. And when you come through that door, you are able to just grab and go. Important thing for me, be polite to people. No matter what their concerns are, no matter what the problem they have with their company or the purchase that they have received, be polite. Always try to resolve the issue, because this may turn into a long-lasting customer, or they will end up bringing more customer. Word of mouth spread is like wildfire. So make sure you be polite. Try to always be courteous to your customers. Yes, not everybody you'll be able to get the smooth over with when you're being polite, but at least you tried, at least you made an attempt, and no one can say you're a bad business owner or you have disrespected them in any way, shape, or form. So yes, this was another great video from your girl Narisi. Stay tuned and make sure you have your notification turned on so you don't miss a video, you don't miss out on any information you need in running your business. And we will keep it flowing with all the information you need on your business. And anything you think you would like to shoot me, a question, a comment, anything, just drop it right down in the comment, or you can go on any of my social media page and shoot me out right there. Another thing, go over to my website. We still have a sale going on, so remember that.